Okay, we're going.
So the hand wheels are incredibly useful, and they're labeled Y and X. You can move both at the same time. You can machine with it. You can use them while the spindle's running and run it like a manual mill. You have your Z handle up here.
You like using that one also?
I don't use this one as much, but it slides out for better access. Usually for Z, I'll just use the hand wheel here, because I have more fine control over it, and it shows up there. And then it's got, this is your coarse and your fine. So if I want to move in small increments, I hit it on fine, and I can move very, very small amounts. Or I put it on coarse if I want to go faster, and it moves much faster.
Okay.
500 RPM. $1,000 RPM. $2,000 RPM.
And then just keep going up.
3,000. 4,000. 5,000.
Take her all the way up to 8.
6,000. 7,000. 8,000.
That's max.
That's max.
Okay, bring her up all the way down.
5,000. 2,000. 500.
Okay.
This is the factory Trak tool offset set. So you put the standard tool in, touch off, then you zero it. Take the tool that you want to measure. The difference is what you put in the tool table.
On your controller.
Your Z diameter, Z offset. That's the difference. So that's what you're going to put in there.
Okay.
And then that's how it knows what tool you have. X-axis. Y-axis. Z-axis. Fourth axis.
Just to comment, he's doing this manually because to run a program he has to have the doors closed, and we can't really get a good look at it. So we're doing it manually with the doors open.
And tool change. Do I do a tool change?
Yeah.
So let's see.
Awesome. And then I want you to explain all the tooling like you were just explaining to me. I want that on video.
So all the tooling comes with it. It's all high-end carbide tooling, lots of insert tooling. There's extra inserts for every one.
What kind of material were you doing on the machine when you were?
70-75 aluminum mostly. So a lot of 70-75 aluminum, a lot of custom small medical parts, very good accuracy, really good on rigid tapping, a lot of thread milling. So I have several size thread mills. I got a rigid tapping tool holder, quick change.
And you also have lots of collets.
Lots of collets.
These are ER32s.
ER32s, TG20s, ER16s.
Then you have the blue bucket over here, which was a mixture of ER32 and ER16.
Yep, ER32, ER16 collets.
And then you had a little...
This is almost all new. This is almost all new. And then brand new Haas pull studs.
And then you had these fixture plates. You want to explain those real quick?
Tool-X dual station 6-inch vices with fixture plate tops. It's all tap 3/8/16, and they are precision dowel pin holes as well. So a dowel pin can go on the top, or you can put a 3/8/16 bolt in it.
Awesome. And this was a little
tool tightening fixture. So for Cat 40, bolt it to the bench, and you can tighten your tools.
okay.
And then the moving brackets, factory moving brackets.
Okay.
The Heimer 3D sensor is a 3D sensor. It measures in Z, in X, both directions, Y in both directions. It's for setting your work offsets, your XYZ work offsets, and you can use it to measure. When it's in the spindle, you can measure surface flatness, edge deviation, all that stuff.
Okay.